Hi guys, it's Dash and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite holiday desserts, which is a Cranberry Bliss bar. If it sounds familiar, you may have seen it in Starbucks during the winter season, but I decided to do my own little twist to it and make it gluten-free and guilt-free. So if you're interested, please continue watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you'd like to see more healthy recipes. So this dessert is made in 2 layers. For the first layer, you're going to need to use the oven. So you're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you're going to take a 13 by 9 inch pan and line it up with parchment paper. So we're going to start off with creating the base. You're going to need 3 cups of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar, half a cup of grass-fed butter, 6 tablespoons of maple syrup, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 to 1.5 cups of dried cranberries, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of orange extract, and half a cup of Keto white chocolate chips. In a bowl, you're going to start off by mixing all your dry ingredients. So the almond flour, the salt, the coconut sugar, the baking soda, the baking powder, and the ground ginger. In a separate bowl, you're going to mix your maple syrup, your orange extract, your vanilla extract, and your melted butter. Now, I don't have a microwave at home, so I melted my butter in the oven. I also do not believe that microwaves are the best for you, so I would recommend melting it in the oven or over the stovetop. So, the maple syrup, vanilla, orange extract, and the butter. Once that's all mixed up, you're going to pour it into your dry ingredients. Next, you're going to take your cranberries and your Keto white chocolate and fold it into the mixture. Now, if you don't have Keto white chocolate, that is okay. You can still make this recipe without it. I just personally find that the white chocolate is a perfect combination with the cranberries. Next, you're going to take your mixture and pour it into your pan. With clean hands, you're going to press down the mixture onto the pan. Once that's done, you're going to bake the mixture in the oven for 15 minutes. Now that the bottom layer is done, you're going to let it cool down and move on to making the top layer. For the top layer, you will need half a cup of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of orange extract, half a cup of dried cranberries, 250 grams of cream cheese, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So for the top layer, we're going to use a mixer. You can also use a handheld mixer. In your bowl, you're going to add all your ingredients for the top layer except for the dried cranberries. So the cream cheese, the maple syrup, the coconut oil, the vanilla extract, and the orange extract. Now that you've prepared your frosting, you're going to move on to chopping up your cranberries. Finally, you're going to pour your frosting over the top of the base and then sprinkle the cut up cranberries. Once that's done, you're going to place the pan into the freezer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to take out the pan out of the freezer and cut the bars into triangle shapes.